Okay, you're welcome back to FRTN Worldwide News. Umeaid versus Usodinman. In details, would the Supreme Court to be contradicting itself by returning Ihedioha? Okay, the man you are seeing on your screen by the Mazi Obina Okwedike talk about there's been this notion that the Supreme Court will be contradicting itself if it is ruled against Senator Hope Usodinman in the suit filed by the Philip Umeaid son, and subsequently restate RT Honorable Emeka Ihedioha as the rightful governor of Imo State. These are two separate rulings. No matter how related they are, in one ruling, the Supreme Court affirmed that Uche Nwosu was the candidate of the APC and the AA, and such from holding due the candidacy, he and the parties were qualified. Okay, at the same time, now we have to understand that this suit was filed separately from the suit Hope Usodinman, Uche Nwosu, and the Senator Ifeanyi Araume filed at the Supreme Court, challenging the emergency of RT Honorable Emeka Ihedioha as the governor of Imo State. At this different ruling, the Supreme Court affirmed that by the available voters present to them, the APC now notes this. The APC notes Hope Usodinman win the election. Okay, note that in our electoral system, until we start having the independent candidacy, the party, not that individual win at election. Okay, as we are saying, going, this is the outcome the PDP hold against the APC in Okingwe, where the candidate of the both faction of the APC, Frank Ibezim, and the Senator Ifeanyi Araume, were both disqualified on the eve of the election. Okay, meaning that the party went to the election without a candidate, as such as they disqualified. In Rivers State, where Umeaid won the election, Rotimi Amaechi came and took the party ticket from him. Having been proven to have won the party's primaries, he became governor without going to the polls. Okay, at the same time, it was the duty of Ihedioha's lawyers to object even before the ruling, based on this new evidence of the contradictory ruling by the Supreme Court. Had they done so, then Ihedioha would campaigning not even be removed, and whatever voters were supposedly manufactured in the 388 wards would have been wasted. Okay, this Supreme Court worked with what was available to it, according to the case before it, which was not qualified of Uche Nwosu disqualification based on the due candidacy. Okay, with Philip Umeaid suit, it is now lies on the Supreme Court to harmonize that the two judgments and summarily qualify the APC from the election tribunal suit. Since the AA and the earlier on that day withdraw from the case, the Supreme Court, without contradicting itself, can then stand by their earlier judgment that the APC win the election based on the new evidence, notifying them of the disqualification of the party. The second runner-up, RT Honorable Emeka Ihedioha of the PDP, would be returned as a governor of Imo State. Okay, this seems the expected ruling over this matter, and the contrary ruling could now give indication to the people who are currently watching reason to doubt the credibility of the courts. The hearing of the suit filed by the Philip Umeaid was supposed to be yesterday, 11 January 2021. The reason it did not come up on claim and in heightens the impression in the states. This is one case Imo people are waiting eagerly to hear to outcoming, so that the ghost of the 2019 Imo general election can finally be put to rest, with the choice of the people imagine victorious in the end. Okay, at the same time, what we are trying to tell you here is that some candidates in the Supreme Court, without contradicting itself, can then stand by their earlier judgment that the APC won the election. Okay, thank to be with us. We'll be back.